Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to keep Slack always active on your desktop. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application. Once you have logged into your workspace, this type of interface will appear in your screen. There you can see your Slack is active right now. To turn your Slack off, you should just go to Files and click to quit Slack, or just press Ctrl+Q to quit the Slack. But instead of that, if you just close the Slack from the top right corner, your Slack will be active. To see if your Slack is active, you can just go down here and see that your Slack is active. This is how you can keep Slack always active on your desktop by not going to your files and quitting the Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.